Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers team, out here with an update on our project in Stilwell, Kansas. So we are in the process of getting ready to get all of our setup in place on the interior of the home to straighten this wall that's leaning inward back to vertical. You can see right now we are off roughly about an inch. So that is going to be what we are trying to push this wall back to. So you can see, to get that level, or just about level, we're going to be straightening this wall about an inch. So we have our angle iron, our 6x6s, and we're going to be setting that up. We're going to use our 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks to straighten this wall back to vertical. While we have that set up in place, before we have our wall braces, which we'll probably do Monday, once the wall is straightened, to keep it vertical. Before we put those in, we'll get the cracks here epoxy injected, sealed on the surface of the crack with NP100 polyurethane. Once that's done, that's going to keep any kind of water infiltration from happening. So yeah, right now the excavation is done. We've gotten the exterior pressure relieved off of the outside of this wall, so now it's going to be that much easier to straighten it and push it back to vertical. So what we're going to do first, we do this on every one of our wall straightening projects. We're going to use these 6x6s and the bottle jacks vertically to slightly raise the floor joists off the top of the foundation wall. That way we'll be able to push it vertically without any kind of issue. And then we're going to have our angle iron right here, 90-degree angle iron. We're going to bolt that temporarily to the floor. We're going to push off of that, angle the 6x6s towards the wall, and should be very quick to get the wall back to vertical. So yeah, then next week, once that's done, we'll have our wall braces ready to go. We'll get those in, probably the piering as well. We have 3 piers we're going to be installing. Got the excavation for that done on the outside, so now it's just getting everything set up on the inside. And once that's done, we'll be ready to get that trench backfilled, get everything put back into place. We got to put their window well, the deck back. But yeah, other than that, here very shortly, we'll have this wall straightened back to vertical, and then yep, this foundation will soon be structurally sound. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for Piers LLC, please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.